What's up, guys? Good afternoon, or good evening. On Tuesday, January the 31st, 2017, last day of January. Can you believe this month has flown by real quick? Now, today, I have a brand new aircraft review. This is a shout out going out to Gemini Jets 33. JetBlue Airways AIRBUS A321 in the scale 1/500 by Skymarks with sharklets. I'll give you a tour of the aircraft. Static ports and PO tubes, the cockpit windshield and windshield wipers, the L1 door, the JetBlue tiles, the two Rolls-Royce turbofan engines, and look at how beautiful the sharklets look on the A321. I'll give you a shot right there, and the registration. November 903 JB, or November 903 Juliet Bravo. JetBlue livery, the APU, the auxiliary power unit, the tailplanes, and I'm going to take you on to the port and starboard side of the aircraft. The JetBlue livery, the registration of this aircraft come up along the wings. A massive sharklets on the A321. And that's it. JetBlue Airways has more destinations worldwide. Well, not worldwide, but domestically. And some international. St. Martin Princess Juliana International Airport, Mexico City, Montego Bay, Kingston, Jamaica, Costa Rica, destinations here in Florida, Fort Lauderdale, Tampa, West Palm Beach, Jacksonville, Orlando, Miami, Atlanta, Charleston, Philadelphia, Boston, New York, Hartford, Los Angeles, Long Beach, San Francisco, Phoenix, Tucson, almost some 50 destinations JetBlue Airways flies to. JetBlue was established by David Neeleman in 1999, and they were given the okay to have a slot at New York John F. Kennedy International Airport, where they started. And then about a couple years after that, they moved over to Newark Liberty International Airport. They have 3 aircraft. That includes the Embraer ERJ-175, the Airbus A321, and the Airbus A320. That's it. Like, comment, subscribe. Until next time, this is Captain A3E in the airport lounge. I'll see you around.